These units are made in Norway for the European market and in the USA for the North American market, but they are only available through their dealer network in America, and their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The new Harbor model features classic styling with a 31,500 BTU heating capacity, while the Winter Harbor model has a contemporary design and a 30,000 BTU heating capacity combined with basic millivolt controls. The Newcastle is a larger insert with more classic styling and features their fire on the floor design, which lowers the firebox and provides a large fire viewing glass. Their Jotul burner provides realistic flames and offers a 50% turn down to keep from overheating the room. It also has a variable speed fan to circulate the air throughout the room. The Astrid model has a more modern look and feel to it and a large 38,000 BTU heating capacity, but it uses basic millivolt controls. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.